Now, LKG students next slide. Who is a porter? Next slide. Okay. Who is a porter? A porter is an artist who creates various functional and decorative objects from clay. This is a definition placed by heart. Okay. So now, what these porters do with the clay? That's our next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Grammar mistake. I'm a Pakka Malayali. Okay. So we are dealing about 5 points, and the first one is shaping the clay. Adi porter he shapes the clay. Okay, shaping the clay. Similar. So I believe shaping the clay is about the experiences we have in our life. BJ Neplett next slide. The first part we are the sum total of our experience.